na maghanda tayo sa posibilidad ng malawakang giyera, lalong-lalo na may mga sundalo sa Luzon, especially sa Batanes. Hindi sa pananakot to, pero madadamay talaga tayo pag nagkaroon ng digmaan. Pinaghahandaan na rin ng AFP ang evacuation plan o yung paglilikas sa halos mahigit 250,000 Pilipino OFW doon.
As we saw a while ago, in their shift to territorial defense, they have gone a long way already. But let me give you this challenge, this further challenge. Do not be content with securing just the northern hemisphere up to Mabulis Island. Start planning for actions in case there is an invasion of Taiwan. So extend na natin yung sphere of operations natin. Because if some